so in between wash days, it's important to have a style because literally that's one day before wash day. And my go-to style is a puff. So I'm taking a Mr. bottle, Bonita Afro Balm from the Dew, and for my edges, I'm going to be using Wetline Extreme Gel. Edge control has not been my friend, and so I use Wetline Extreme Gel. It works all day. So I'm using a regular, I call it the boy brush because it has really hard bristles, and a toothbrush for my edges, and just a ponytail holder that I have cut. So I'm gonna mist my natural hair just to get some movement in my hair, because my hair, it wasn't dry, but it just helps me to be able to manipulate my hair. And Bonita Afro Balm is one of my favorite products. It's very thick. The owner, Maya Smith, said use it like grease before you knew better. It's a styling pomade and it's best used on dry hair. Henceforth, why I didn't want to make my hair very, very wet. A little goes a long way. As you can see, before I start brushing my hair, it's actually really kind of going to just seep into my hair. This helps me so I don't have to use too much gel on my hair, because when I have a lot of gel, it ends up drying my hair the heck out. So I'm just taking a little bit and putting it all around the perimeter of my hair. And once I get that Bonita Afro Balm all on the perimeter of my hair, I'm just brushing it into my hair. As you can see, you don't see any of that white looking residue at all. Like the product, it seeps right into my hair, and it gives me control and it gives me shine, which is something I really, really want. And for my people with glasses, this is the time that you take your glasses off, because it's time for me to brush the sides of my hair. So I make sure everything is smooth, because I'm about to put the ponytail holder on my hair. Okay, so as y'all can see, the puff is done. We have to do nothing else for the puff. But before I go out, like as you can see, I have brows on. I have big lashes, so you can't see that I have lashes on, but I have lashes on. And last but definitely not least, I'm gonna do lip gloss. So as you can see, it probably already looks like I have something on my lips right now, but I'm using Luxury Lips lip scrub. It comes in a tin like that. And then I'm also going to be using two things. Well, I'm going to be showing you two things. The first lip gloss is Bougie, and it's pink and it's iridescent, like it's kind of sheer. It's really nice. And then this one is called Iced Out, and it has glitter in it. All of these products come from my amazing sister, Mercedes, and she created a lip gloss line, and it's called Luxury Lips. So I'm that press friend, so she sent the business card in the package, and the business card already went on the wall. If your friends are not as hyped for your new ventures as I am, gonna get you a new friend. So this is the front side of the card, and then when you flip it over, her phone number and her social media handles are on it, because she also doesn't just do lip gloss, she also does hair, and she's really good at it. So I will be leaving all of her contact information and social media handles in the description box, and also what you can do to purchase the products that I'm about to show you. So like I said, I already put the lip scrub on basically as a primer for my lip gloss. For me, I have a small mouth, but I have big lips from a small mouth, which means my lips can get dry, and that's not cute. So lip scrub is something that I will be using moving forward, and right now I'm going to be showing you Bougie, which is that sheer gloss. It reminds me of like an ATL new type of gloss, because it's not thin, but it's also not too thick either, and it doesn't feel goopy. I've already tried it. Okay, so as you can see, this is something for, I mean, I would wear this even when I do a full face of makeup anyway, but it's really nice, and it has a really fresh scent to it. It doesn't feel perfumey or anything like that. Like I said, this is not an initial review. I've worn this in the previous week, and I've gone hours without having to put lip gloss on my lips again, because it's a product that stays, which was really important to me. And so I'm gonna wipe this off, and I'm gonna show you Iced Out. And so Iced Out is that glitter lip gloss, and the thing that I liked about it was this: it was not something to where I'm gonna look like, you know how when the trolls, they got glitter, and that glitter is like glitter, and it just is something that you can't wear nowhere else except in one place. Iced Out isn't like that. I'm gonna insert a picture of a makeup look that I just did, and I actually used Iced Out in the makeup. And it's just small specks of glitter, so it's something that you can wear not just for like a big look, but you can also wear it when you're just going out somewhere. So yeah, I'm really happy with all three of these products. I would recommend them to anyone that wanted them. The shipping was absolutely really fast. Like, I texted her and I was like, I got it the next day, and not even like more than 24 hours. It was probably, I got it in like 13 hours. And I'm not local. If you are local, because she is in, I would say, relatively Charlotte, North Carolina area, if that's where you are, she delivers, or you can also pick up from her. So like I said, I'm gonna leave all her social media handles and all where you can get in contact with her down below. And thank you again for watching how I got this really cute puff, but how I also made sure my lips were right.